So Drew, we're supposed to do a tease for this book.
Well, what's a tease?
I want to introduce Drew Beechum.
And this is Denny Conn, who should be everybody's favorite brewing granddad.
We write books, we do podcasts.
More importantly, we make beer.
What we know is that when people brew, they have other things in their life. What we need to do is help people focus in on what's important in making great beer and get rid of all the extraneous stuff that takes up time. You probably do have a life, unlike us.
In this book, it's all about how to make it simple again.
There are a lot of recipes in the book. It's a pale ale that you can make with a 20-minute mash and a 20-minute boil.
The simplest way to get your yeast ready so that you can make a big barley wine, how you actually can turn a lager around in 10 days.
Make the best beer possible with the least effort possible while having the most fun possible.